You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Latin phrase once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. The Latin pronunciation: aut, aut, dedere, aut, or dedere, aut, judicare, aut dedere aut judicare. That's the Latin pronunciation, the legal obligation of states under public international law to prosecute persons who commit serious international crimes. The English pronunciation: I've heard people say ought. I'd say really it should be aut, aut dedere aut judicare. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.